अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में इस डायग्राम को बनाने का तरीक़ाकार की मैं वजाहत करूँगा। ये डायग्राम हम डिफरेंट जो है वो वे से क्रिएट कर सकते हैं और हर यूज़र जो भी इस डायग्राम को जो है वो साफ ज़ाहिर क्रिएट कर रहा है उसका अपना अपना जो है वो वे होता है। सो देयर आर सम कॉम्प्लेक्स वेज आर मोर टाइम कंज्यूमिंग दैट रिक्वायर मोर ट्रिमिंग। सो what I will be using as this diagram is symmetric about both the horizontal and vertical axis. So we can simply use two construction center lines, one construction line horizontal and other construction center line in the horizontal location. After that, we will be creating this central portion. So this central portion can be created in many ways, as we can use simple line chain command and we can offset them horizontally and vertically in this way, or otherwise we can use center rectangle command as it has its center located at this point, so better to use center rectangle command. So I can use center rectangle command in this way. We will be clicking on center rectangle command, and as the center has been highlighted, and in this way either suppose first of all I am creating this rectangle in the vertical orientation, and if we have activated weak dimension then we can set its dimensions. So what are its dimensions? As it has been written 34 places, that means from this center to this center, filleted center, there are 30 units. So in this location is also 30 units. So total from this center to this center, total distance is 60 units vertically and in this way horizontally as well. And after that, we will be drawing these four circle at these locations, and then we will be trimming. So we can create this dimension to be 60, and this dimension is highlighted, this dimension to be exact 20 units. So one more refining step is that we will be relocating these dimensions at some proper location so that the diagram is visible. After that, we will be creating another center rectangle at this location. So there are many ways. That one is that we can randomly uh, locate at this location when no constant is being highlighted. But as soon as we are moving at this location, we are observing that a constant is being highlighted, that the horizontal side of the vertical rectangle has been made equal to the vertical side of the horizontal rectangle. So in this way, it is showing that the dimensions of both rectangles are same. So we can click it in this way, and we observe that this side is equal to this side and this side dimension is equal to this side. So we can verify it if I try to, as this has been equal constant is also being highlighted, and this dimension and this side is also equal to this side, this vertical side. So we can verify it using by trying to redimension it as it is showing. Resolve sketch dialog box. So after that, uh, we will be creating a simple circle command at this location. This is the center, and we will be creating 4 circles in this way and in this way, and after that we will be trimming. So trimming can be done in a fast way, that we will be clicking on delete segment, and we can either click them turn by turn in this way. And remember, these portions of circles have been intercepted by these construction lines, so we will have to delete them in this way. Otherwise, we can carefully click on, we can left click, left press with the help of mouse, or this mouse tab, mouse pad. So we will be left pressing this mouse pad, and then we will be fencing. So I am fencing, and this fencing requires very careful working. So as we have observed that this side has been mistakenly been selected. So we will be undoing. Once again, I will be clicking on delete segment, and I can do it very carefully in this way. So so in this way, as I have released the left mouse pad, and in this way central portion have been completed, and as we observe that R10 has been shown. So after that, we will be creating this center circle, and this center circle has diameter 120 units. So I will be creating this center circle in the construction mode. So what we can do, we first create a circle in a geometry mode in this way. So we will be dimensioning it. This dimension has to be 120 units. And furthermore, we can move this dimension at this location as it is shown in the diagram, 120 diameter. And then I will be clicking on this circle, and in the side menu, this is showing construction mode. So it has been converted into construction mode. Now we will be creating these 12 520 circles. So there are 12 circles, and diameter of each circle is 20 units. Actually, these circles should be created using array command, but as we observe that there is no array command or pattern command in the sketch mode. So as we are we will be creating this pattern using uh, mirror command. So the best way to create these 12 circle is that we can locate these 4 principal circles. This circle, this circle, this circle, and 4 circles. We can simply draw them individually, and then we will be creating 2 construction center line located angularly spaced, divided by 360 divided by 12. So this comes out to be some 30 units, 30 degrees. So uh, I will be clicking on randomly placing this these two randomly place. Make sure to place them that no constant should be highlighted. So I have placed two rectangles. So in two construction center lines. So in this quadrant will be completed. So now we will be setting the angle between these construction center line. So to measure the angle between them with the help of mouse pad, the method is that I will be simply clicking on one construction center line, and then I will be pressing control button from keyboard, and then I will be clicking on the other construction center line, and in the side menu this angle dimension will be shown, and in this way dimension can be placed. It is showing external angle, so no issue. We observe that if we want to place this dimension, this dimension will be equal to 360 minus 30, and it is comes out to be 330 units. In this way this dimension 30 has been completed, and furthermore we can dimension in a similar manner. So this dimension is also 330 units. So in the location of four circles, so I first create smaller four circles. So first of all, I will be setting its diameter. So the diameter of this circle is 20. So its diameter is 20 units. So in this way, I will be fastly creating these four circles. So in this way, now what we will be doing, that we will be mirroring this circle and these two circles about this axis, and once they have been mirrored, they will be mirrored about this horizontal axis. So I will be clicking on this circle and this circle, and mirror command has been highlighted, and I will be clicking on this, and in this way we can simply once again click on mirror command, and we can mirror these two circle as these have been selected, and simply we clicking on horizontal mirror line, and in this way once again I will be clicking on mirror command and on this vertical line, and these 12 circles have been created. So 12 circles of 520 have been created. After that, I will be creating these 12 or 20 circle which are concentric up with these smaller circles of diameter 20 units. So this R20 circle is concentric. So what I can do, simply in that manner, I can create these four circles arbitrarily, and its diameter is uh, R20. So it means its diameter is 40 units. So R20 circle has been created. In a similar manner, we can create these four principal circles as it gets highlighted. At this time, as soon as this circle constant is highlighted, equality constant of equal radii, then click in this way. So these four circles have been created. Again, create these. So after that, we will be mirroring these two circles with the help of mirror command about this vertical axis. Once as these circles have been selected, once again clicking on mirror command, and this vertical horizontal construction center line to mirror about the horizontal axis, and then again clicking on mirror command, and then again on in this way. So these concentric circles of 12 or 20 have been created. After that, we will be creating these tangent circle, tangent radius circles, which are tangent to these concentric circles 12 or 20. So what we will be doing, that we can simply create, for example, uh, a random circle at this location of any random dimension. And first of all, we will be uh, zooming out this portion. And first of all, we will be using tangent constant, and we will be making tangent to these two circles. And after that, we will be satisfying its radius, which is 20. So its diameter is again 40 units. So this circle has been created. In a similar manner, we can create a same circle at this location, a random circle, and it's in this way. Its radius is same. So we can again make it tangent to this location. So again, we will be making it tangent to this, and again making a tangent to this. And after that, we will be mirroring these three circles about horizontal and vertical axis. So we will be clicking these three circles by control clicking, and then we will be clicking on mirror command and about this vertical axis, and again on mirror command, then this horizontal line, horizontal axis, and again mirror command, and then about this vertical axis, and in this way these tangent circles have been created. Now as these constants have been highlighted, so we can temporarily uh, make these constants off. Go into file, into options, and here in Sketcher we can temporarily make them off. These constraints should be made off. We will be clicking on Sketcher and show constraint, and we will be uh, so after that we will be trimming, and trimming we can do it in some fast way. In this way we will be fencing. So after that we will be uh, uh, one portion has been once again delete segment. Use delete segment command and carefully fence it. So now we will be removing the internal portions using delete segment command, very carefully fencing and detaching. We will only be trimming this line and these and this pair of arcs, this arc and this arc. So we will be fencing it in this way very carefully. We will be left pressing, sorry, once again undo it, and then click on delete segment, and here in this way, oh sorry, once again clicking on delete segment. So what we can do, we can further zoom window it this portion, so that, so once again we will clicking on delete segment. Oh sorry. So I think it is better that we can simply click, so it will not take much time. So better, instead of fencing, we can simply trim them off in this way. Now again we can highlight this portion, and so as this outer loop has been separated, now we will simply be selecting and deleting these are portions. So we will simply be control selecting multiple selections in this way, and in this way. As all have been selected, and simply deleting them, and in this way this portion and this part has been completed, a sketch has been completed. So we will be saving this sketch So after that, I will be closing the sketch and then I will be opening a new page and we will be renaming it page number 19. For example, page 1919. And first of all, we will be setting these planes into isometric mode. We will clicking on file into option model display and here in isometric mode, then we will apply it and okay and setting. After that, we will be clicking on uh, this front plane and then we will clicking on sketch and then we will go on sketch view and after that we will clicking on import and this was our sketch which was named actually page 21. We will be clicking near about this origin and we will be very carefully setting the scale to be 1. This is very important. And after that, we will be setting it okay. And then we will be refitting. And in this way, this diagram has been imported. After that, we will simply be clicking on OK. And as this sketch can be extruded in a single go, so we will be extruding it to symmetric and simply we can extrude it to 10 units symmetrically and in this way this portion on this part has been created and we can see it. So we can use it with no hidden portion and this way part has been created. So thanks all for listening.